Hello, students, teachers, parents, history nerds. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Nutshelled History, where we lay out the facts, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Today, we are going to continue our Ancient Civilizations series by looking at Alexander the Great and the legacy of Greece. Don't forget that there's a link for a fill-in-the-blank worksheet in the description. I just ask that you like and subscribe. I apologize for any mispronunciations ahead of time. I do my best, and now let's go. Soon after Macedonian King Philip II gained the throne in 59 BC, he built a powerful army and eventually brought all of Greece under his control. Philip's next goal was to conquer the Persian Empire. However, he was assassinated before he could. Assassination is the murder of a public figure, usually for political reasons. After Philip's death, his son, who came to be known as Alexander the Great, acquired the throne and began organizing forces to conquer Persia. Alexander was victorious. Once much of the Persian Empire fell under his control, he advanced into India. Unexpectedly, in 323 BC, Alexander died at the age of 33 in Persia from a fever. Although his empire collapsed soon after, he is credited with spreading Greek culture from Egypt to the borders of India. Local people assimilated or absorbed Greek ideas. In turn, Greek settlers adopted local customs. Gradually, a new Hellenistic culture emerged that blended Greek, Persian, Egyptian, and Indian influences. At the very heart of the Hellenistic world stood the magnificent city of Alexandria, founded in Egypt by Alexander. Its great library was among the greatest scientific and cultural centers of the age. Like Alexandria, cities of the Hellenistic world employed many architects and artists. Temples, palaces, and other public buildings were larger and grander than the buildings of classical Greece. The elaborate new style reflected the desire of Hellenistic rulers to glorify themselves as godlike. During the Hellenistic age, scholars built on earlier Greek, Babylonian, and Egyptian knowledge. In mathematics, Pythagoras derived a formula to calculate the relationship between the sides of a right triangle. The astronomer Aristarchus developed the theory of a heliocentric or sun-centered solar system. Another scientist, Archimedes, applied the principles of physics to make practical inventions. In the field of medicine, the Greek physician Hippocrates studied the causes of illnesses and looked for cures. Greek works in the arts and sciences set a standard for later Europeans. Greek ideas about law, freedom, justice, and government continue to influence political thinking today. Okay, here's a recap. King Philip II of Macedon had big plans: conquer Greece, build a powerhouse army, and take on Persia. Unfortunately, his career was cut short by an assassin's blade. Enter his son, Alexander the Great, who took over, conquered Persia, marched into India, and spread Greek culture so far and wide that it practically needed a passport. Sadly, Alexander's world tour ended early when he died of a fever at just 33. His empire didn't last, but his cultural legacy did, sparking the Hellenistic Age, a mashup of Greek, Persian, Egyptian, and Indian influences. The city of Alexandria became the Hellenistic version of Silicon Valley, boasting a world-class library and innovations in science, math, and medicine. From Pythagoras' triangles to Archimedes' gadgets, Greek ideas laid the foundation for everything from democracy to geometry, proving that their influence was anything but ancient history. There you have it, folks. That is Alexander the Great and the legacy of Greece, nutshelled. Thanks for stopping by Nutshelled History. It'd be great if you would add to my legacy by smashing those like and subscribe buttons for me. I'll see y'all next time on Nutshelled History.